Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to configure your Samsung Galaxy M21 for the first time. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, power on your handset for the first time. The handset will power on and ready for initial setup. It will take 2 or 3 minutes to complete this process. Now you have to set up your handset. Tap on the arrow sign to begin the setup process. Check all the options one by one. You can leave the options which are optional, then tap on Next. You can add to any Wi-Fi network. You can also turn off Wi-Fi, or you can skip this. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account and more. Tap on Next. You can update Smart Switch using Wi-Fi, or you can do this later. Scroll down. Then tap on Accept. You can protect your phone by setting up face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, or password. If you want to set this later, tap on Skip. From the confirmation menu, tap on Skip Anyway. You can sign into your Samsung account, or you can do this later. From the confirmation menu, tap on Skip. Then finally, tap on Finish. That's it. Your phone setup has been completed, and it is ready to use. So in this way, you can set up your Samsung Galaxy M21 handset for the first time. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.